Do you want to save money on life insurance? Well, who doesn't? Life insurance is a necessity, but it doesn't have to break the bank. Today, we're going to walk through a step-by-step guide on how to make that happen. Step 1. Understand your needs. Before you begin shopping for life insurance, take some time to evaluate what you really need. Consider your age, health, financial obligations, and the number of dependents you have. The goal is not to overinsure or underinsure, but to find that perfect balance. Step 2. Shop around. There's a sea of insurance companies out there, each offering different plans at different rates. Don't just settle for the first one you come across. Do your research, compare the options, and choose the one that fits your needs and budget the best. Step 3. Opt for term life insurance. This is typically cheaper than whole life insurance and can be tailored to cover periods when your dependents need it the most, like until your children graduate college or your mortgage is paid off. Step 4. Stay healthy. Your health has a direct impact on your insurance premiums. A healthy lifestyle can lead to lower insurance costs, so quit smoking, maintain a healthy weight, exercise regularly, and get regular medical checkups. Step 5. Buy early. The younger you are when you buy life insurance, the lower your premiums will be. So don't wait until you're older or facing health issues. If you're young and healthy, now is the time to buy. Step 6. Review your policy regularly. Life changes and so do your insurance needs. Make it a point to review your policy every few years or after significant life events like marriage, divorce, or the birth of a child. So to recap, saving money on life insurance is all about understanding your needs, shopping around, opting for term life insurance, staying healthy, buying early, and reviewing your policy regularly. It may seem like a lot, but each step brings you closer to the goal of affordable life insurance. And remember, the peace of mind that comes with knowing your loved ones are protected is priceless. So take these steps today and start saving money on your life insurance.